Hey, Teresa. But I want to break these down. So I'm going to break down the lowercase h into these beginner strokes that we use, right? So if we look on here, the H would be a combination of this stroke, which is the ascending loop. So it goes up, around, pressing down, and then you come down. And then if our H is made up with the ascending loop, and then with our overturn, right? So we've got our overturn. So when we put the two of those together, right, we're going to start at the bottom, come up with no pressure on our marker, come over the mountain and press. Okay. And then you can go a step even further with this compound curve. So that's the overturn right into an underturn, right? So we can also do it that way. Okay. I hope that's making sense. But anyway, I just wanted to break down the letters. And then, of course, the O is our simple oval. So I would start over here on the side, come up, press down, lift back up, and come up, and then join that. Now, you guys know so you can vary your letters in any way you want. So that ascending loop, we can start it, come up, and then come down. It just changes the look of the letter. And then when we come in with our overturn, we have a simple H. We can do that again. Press down, come up with our overturn, and swing it back up with an underturn, right? So same letter, two different looks. You can use this. You can start your H's up high. See how it just changes the look of your letter. So there's 4 different ways to make the letter H using two strokes from the book, really, or 2 strokes from brush lettering. They're just the basic letter. So I kind of wanted to use that today and just create a cute little gift tag. Ho, ho, ho for the holidays. Tags. So I like to have some of these sitting around the house. It's just some glitter on some washi tape. And I'm just going to take that, put it down at the end of the card, right? It's just something a little cute and fancy. You can use your scissors, cut it off, or just do like I did and wing it, right? I'm going to come on here and just write ho, ho, ho. Big, right? Very simple. But I'm going to mix my styles a little bit. They're all going to look a little bit different. So I'm going to come in here with this first one and just print my H. And I'm going to make it pretty thick. And then I'll do a thin cross. Then with this, my O here, I'll just mix that with a little bit of lettering, right? So then my second one, maybe I'll make it short and skinny. And I'll do H, O, and I'll bring that out. You can come in and thicken up those lines if they're not, thick enough. We'll do this next one nice and big. We'll make it nice and tall. And then we'll do a printed O. I'm going to thicken that a bit. You can always come back in, thicken your letters wherever you feel that they need to be a little bit thicker. I'm going to come in and use my white paint marker. I like to add those little creative touches to, if not all of my gifts, some of them. And then I'm just going to add some little detail inside of the letter. These got a little thin, so I'll just be really light there. And you don't have to do each one. I just thought it would be pretty. So I'm just going to add that little line and a dot and a little line and a dot, right? So that's a little simple one there. Okay, and then I have another cute one I thought maybe I would just share with you real quick. This one's just a little reindeer, okay? A little tiny reindeer. So I'm just going to put a little circle here in the middle for his nose. This is so simple, little doodle. You guys can use big or small. And then I'm going to do 2 small dots right up here, of course, for his eyes. And just draw some antlers, right? So I'm going to come up, curl it out, come up, and curl it out. It's almost like 2 little candy canes. And then you can just put some little antlers coming down. They don't have to be perfect or exact. You can make them thicker or thinner. So I'm going to use my white paint pen again and just add a little, maybe 2 dots together for the nose, a little highlight in each eye. I'm just very into mixing my lettering styles lately, using print along with lettering. So I'm going to do no peeking. Well, I did no peeking, right? I just thought it was cute. Something cute. These are just, hey, very simple little quick gift tags. You could whip up, get the kids involved, get the grandkids involved. You can go around and add like little lines around the outside, little dots. It's just simple. I'm going to take it all the way down there and end it right about there, right? So what do you guys think? I mean, that's just 2 cute little gift tags. You can add these to your gifts, flip them over, do the to and from on the other side, and you've got 2 cute little gift tags. Took us less than, what, a half an hour to do. I hope that you enjoyed it.